Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use Samsung Health on a rooted smartphone. As you can see, my smartphone is already rooted. Okay, let's go to Magisk. Let me show you it has already rooted, and I have installed the latest version, which is 17.3. You can see it. It's installed. All you need to do when you let's go to Samsung Health and let's check it out. Okay, see, because of new security policy, Samsung Health can't be opened on rooted device. So there we can't get bypass root. Even if we use Magisk Hide, it's no use. You need to go to PlayStore and search for this app called BuildPropEditor. You search and install, and let me show you. Okay, let's get into BuildPropEditor. You see BuildProp was granted by super user. Okay, let's search this. You type in these words. Okay, for me they have already copied to clipboard, so let me just paste so I can show you. RO configure timer. Okay, so you can see it has been written one. So all we need to do is to edit that and let's type in 0. Okay, and save. See, I've changed it from 1 to 0. So let's all we have to do now is to reboot the device. Okay, let's reboot the device. So after finishing up restart, let's check out our Samsung Health app again. Okay, let's click Samsung Health. Okay, wait for it. There we go. See, agree all that and that. Next, you agree. Then you click next, and you'll be on your way. And that's how you bypass the root Samsung Health resistant to root. So I'm going to put the download links below the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Okay, because that's important to me. If you are satisfied, then I'm satisfied. Peace.